Guys, what's going on? Hoping you guys are doing fine. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So in today's video, today's day 8. So in today's video, guys, I'm gonna be telling you how to make money with affiliate marketing. So you wanna be an affiliate marketer? Watch this video. This is one untapped online business idea. This is going to be a very informative video, so you guys like this video. In case you're wondering what affiliate marketing is, this one involved a product, a company, and you, the affiliator or something. So what you're gonna be doing for this one is to sell a product and then get paid a commission. So this is generally sales or marketing, but then instead of going to the streets to sell a product ndio upate commission, you sell using your phone online. The reason why companies love this is because they get to market their goods and they get to sell their goods quickly. So if you can really market, if you have a social media following, or if you can grow your social media, this is for you. Companies actually love this because they pay you after you've sold a product. So you don't get paid until you sell a product. So what you're gonna do is to go to a site. I'm gonna tell you those sites, some of those sites, because there are so many sites you can do a job for, okay? So I'm gonna tell you some of those sites that I know. So you go to the site and use their link, put it on your social media. You put it on maybe your WhatsApp, your Instagram, your Facebook. If you have a YouTube channel, your YouTube. That's basically how this works. Okay, not all of them are involving products. Some involve selling the company itself. So you refer your friend or refer somebody who has not been to that site. And I know most of these sites, people have not heard of them. So you can refer someone who has not been to that site and get paid. I'll definitely put the links to everything that I'll talk about in the description box. As you guys know, I always put links on the description box so that it can be easy for you to go to those sites. So, And also one thing you need to know is that the more you do this, the more you sell, the better for you. The better for you, because if you're not hardworking, if you're not active or vigilant, affiliate marketing is not for you. As you can see, guys, it's called marketing. That's why you need to be a good marketer, you know? And some of these sites actually have a deadline. They call cookie life most of the time. For example, if it's something, a product, you're given 30 days. If it doesn't sell within 30 days, then that one is expired. Its life has collapsed or something of that sort. So you need to be so active, sell it within 30 days. You can get paid up to 10% of that amount. So let's say it's going for 10,000. 10% of that is 100, 1,000, something of that sort, guys. This is a very good online side hustle, and it doesn't have to be a full-time job. So I'm gonna give you some of the sites that I know are good for affiliate marketing, especially in Kenya. We have Kilimall. So I have talked about Kilimall before, so you guys already understand. So in Kilimall, you get paid to refer your friends and also to sell products. And Kilimall is so common. Like, so many people use Kilimall to sell their products. A fun fact, guys, Kilimall was started in 2014, and you can see by now it's maybe the first or the second online marketplace. So companies actually love affiliate marketers because they help them sell their goods. So if you sign in, or if you already have a Kilimall account, go and refer your friends, get paid in terms of coins or rewards, and also be their affiliate marketer or join their affiliate program. By the way, they are very serious with their affiliate program because they even have training. Yes, guys, so you heard that right. Go to Kilimall and start doing this. The link is in the description box down below. So another site that is good for affiliate marketing is TravelStart. TravelStart is a travel agency that seeks to work with people from all over. So if you can help them get customers, you get paid depending on, If it's a foreigner, of course, you get paid more money. If it's somebody from within the country, you get paid less. I think most of the flat rate is $4. That is equal to 400 Kenyan shillings. So you can try that, guys. And if you're able to refer people, you're good. Yeah, it doesn't really have to be you selling products. You can do such kind of things like referring people to use that travel agencies. If you have friends who love to travel, you can refer them to that travel agency. When they use your link, you get paid. Then we have I Pay Africa. This one is for Africa, as you can hear the name. It's a payment processing solution and payments delivery for Africa, okay? So all you're going to do, like, it processes in so many ways. We have, for example, visas, M-Pesa transactions, eLipa wallet, MasterCard, Airtel Money. Yeah, there are so many ways like you can transact with it. So if you have friends maybe from outside but within Africa, you can use this, and also you can refer them. So tell them, if you want to send me money or something, if you want to tip me, use I Pay Africa and get paid to do that. Yeah, it works the same as that app. I can't remember the name of that app. Anyway, yeah, another affiliate marketing app or something site is Jumia. I know this one is common. People already have used Jumia before. So Jumia is a good affiliate program. So for Jumia, you're gonna be selling products, for example, cups, plates, bed sheets, carpets, beds, all those stuff, electronics, all those stuff. So all you're gonna do is, for example, tell people I've been using this eyeshadow and it's doing so good to my skin, or I've been using this oil and it's working miracles, such kind of things. And then tell them, if you want to use this product, get it on Jumia, and then give them the link. Or you can put an advert like, Jumia has these offers, if you guys want to try them, please use this link. Also, that's the same way Kilimall works. So yeah, you can be an affiliate marketer and do it as a side hustle. Okay, there are so many more other sites like Bluehost, Amazon, Udemy, Fiverr. Yeah, there are so many other sites that you can use to become an affiliate marketer, and I think it's a very good side hustle because you don't have to do it as a full-time job. So if you're a student, this one can do so good for you. Yeah, those are all the ideas, guys, for today. What do you guys think? Comment down below if you have any questions. Use the links in the description box to go to those affiliate programs. Yeah, and I hope to see you guys in tomorrow's video. And remember to like this video, guys, if it was useful. In the meantime, watch my other videos. In case you've missed the videos from day 1 to day 8, watch them in the meantime as you wait for tomorrow's video. Until next time, bye, guys.